Gretzinger.
And I'm Liz Bishop. Tonight's top story, jail time. The Schenectady grandmother convicted of beating her grandson to death could now spend the rest of her life behind bars.
A judge sentenced Gloria Nelligan to 25 years to life, but the family says jail is too good for her.
Matt Markham covered this case from the start. He was in court today, and he joins us now with more. Matt?
Liz, that 25 years to life was the maximum sentence allowed. Shaheem Nelligan's mother says she lost custody of her son to Gloria Nelligan years ago, and nothing mattered to her if she couldn't have her baby. Now she says jail is too good for her mother because she says her baby got a life sentence of his own.
I can never see Shaheem again. My visits with him is going to be at a cemetery. He can't talk to me back. He can't touch me back. He can't, nothing.
Keila Nelligan cried in court thinking of her 8-year-old smile, his love of dance and writing, his hope to be president. The prosecutor mentioned all those things in her case.
I never had the chance to meet him, but I certainly got to know him over the last several months, and he was a bright boy, and he did have a ton of potential. He was 8 years old. He had everything in front of him.
Until February 23rd, a few days after he stole a pack of gum from a dollar store. To punish him, his grandmother began to beat him. While that one incident led to the fatal abuse, the assistant district attorney believes Nelligan's anger goes back even further.
There's no explanation that would ever be good enough, but there does seem to be a theme of contempt for him, and he was a burden to her, it seemed. That's how she portrayed it.
Gloria Nelligan had been wearing regular clothes during the trial. At sentencing, she wore an orange jumpsuit, her new wardrobe for at least the next 25 years. Her attorney read a statement prepared by his client. It was peppered with biblical quotes and her own thoughts about her grandson and the trial. Quote, "I was there," Nelligan said. "I know what I saw. I know what I heard. I know what I am and am not responsible for."
To admit it and apologize would have been easier than sitting through a trial, hearing the truth, and still not getting an apology or an acknowledgement of what she did. How is that fair to the family?
The defense waived a right to have a jury hear this trial, arguing that it would immediately shut down and draw conclusions upon seeing photos of Shaheem Nelligan's body, photos that showed his body covered in bruises. Nelligan's son, D.C. Dunkel, also read an impact statement at the sentencing. He said his mother is not the woman portrayed in this trial and instilled some good values in her family. Jerry?